Hello friends. Have you ever thought that what can be alternative of hard work? Now firstly understand what hard work really is. Lack of interest and motivation make any work hard. If we are having enough motivation, every work will become easy. What hard work requires is determination, perseverance, tenacity, willpower, patience and something more. If we are having all or some of these qualities, we become effective beyond the range of our normal capabilities. And if we lack all of these, then I can assure you that we can never achieve success while enjoying the efforts. We can understand the value of hard work only by working hard. There are no shortcuts. What is the difference between a successful and unsuccessful person? Yes, that is hard work. You can search the history that any person who achieved success has worked hard on his success. Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam, a professor, author, aerospace scientist, and former president of India, said that a blend of honesty and hard work is the only key to success in life. He said everyone should achieve education and strive hard for it. With time, hard work will become smart work. Thanks for watching. Do like, subscribe and share. Comment for any suggestion.